So today what I want to do is get my motorcycle, Ginny, up and running. Because this is going to be gone hopefully by next week. But first, I have to get all this stuff gone out of the way and move some stuff around. And then we'll get the seat back on. Because the battery is fully charged. We'll get the seat back on and get her cranked up and get her running. I got too much stuff. Might get the scooter running today too, we'll see. But Ginny, you're going to be resurrected today. Yes, let's get to work. Alright, after a trip to the scrapyard and a little bit of wiggling and jiggling and just putting stuff out of the way, I got her out. Now we just need to get the seat put on and fix the wire right here on my power battery source so I can run my LEDs underneath. Gotta love those undercarriage lights. So I got the wire fixed. All it was the connection that was on the wire right here. The wire wasn't in there all the way. Somehow it came loose, but I fixed it. All is well. Now I got my lights back. Took like half a second. Gotta love it. Alright, in order to get the seat on, gotta take out the bolts, which is pretty easy. You gotta have a 6mm Allen wrench. I did get an aftermarket seat because the stock one and my bony butt, they don't work too well together. So you want to put those in a place you're not going to forget them, kick them, or destroy them. Then you get the seat, which I have handy dandy put over here. Well, on here, right here, that goes under your gas tank, and then you have a slot right here for the passenger seat. So you have to make sure you get the passenger seat, which I should take off, but I'm lazy. But I have it loosened, so it should be a lot easier. All I have to do is slip it in there, put everything together, and I'll be right back with you. Got the seat back on. Went a lot easier than I expected. Now for the moment of truth. Let's get on her. Put the key in the ignition. There we go. Open up the choke. Flip the switch. Get her straight. Let's see what this baby does. Let's let out the clutch a little, or the choke a little bit. Getting some gas. There we go. She was getting a little too much gas. Uh-oh, I killed it. I'm a dummy. There we go. Let her run for a little bit. Let those Vance and Hines shorties kick in for a little while. She purrs. Well, we got one of them running. The other one's buried. I'm not digging around. You gotta have a garage sale. You got too much stuff. Let her run for a little bit, then get her going. Alright, got her nice and warmed up. Let's see if she purrs. Let's see what she does. That just made all of my neighbors very angry. Shouldn't do that to them. But you gotta get it warm. Yes, this is a Honda Shadow 750 Aero. It's an 09. We got about 56 something thousand miles on her. Had a little bit of fun with her. I put a custom air breather. Got the Vance and Hines short shots. Already showed you the custom seat. Got the clear LED. Also the smoke LED tail light. I got the clear tail lights here with LED bulbs. I've got the custom grips. These are called Flame Assassins, but I can't find the other one, so I can do my pegs the same. I've got the custom levers. I've got Vanson, not the Vanson, I'm sorry, the Arlen Nest flame mirrors. Got an LED headlight, which is way too bright, and then I've got clear LEDs in here as well. So those are the only customizations I've done. It's not a lot. I do also have the Stage 2 jet kit in her. Not a lot, but she's fun. Got the factory paint job. They only did a few hundred of these, which is pretty cool. She needs a wash, she needs a buff, but she's a running. Hopefully in the next few days this will disappear, or if I can shovel it, but I'm lazy, so we know how that goes. And it doesn't get a lot of sun, so it might take a little longer, but when this is gone, we're going. I'd love to take her out right now, but I still got ice in the driveway, and if you notice, the Corvette's not here. The wife took her to work today because she loves that car. She won't admit it to you, but she does. So I got the Corvette running. I got the Honda running. The scooter will come later, probably next week. But for now, that's what we got.